Welcome you all to my YouTube channel studiesplus.lk. Today I'm going to do a simple question on complex variable. You can see the problem on the screen. We have to write the function fz in the form of u plus iv. U and v are functions of x and y, and u is the real part of the fz and v is the imaginary part of the fz. Let's move on to the first one. Fz equals z square. We can write z as x plus iy. So I can substitute instead of z, and you can get x square plus 2xiy plus iy whole square. Then x square, then I times I minus 1, so minus y square plus I times 2xy. Then you can see this is uxy and this is vxy. Then move on to the second part. Fz equals z cube plus z plus 1. So as the previous one, we can write z as x plus iy. Then we can substitute it to the function. Then you will get like this. As the previous, remove the brackets. Then you can separate imaginary terms and real terms. Then you will get this as uxy and this is vxy. Let's move on to the third part. Fz equals z cube minus z. As the previous, you get z as x plus iy. Now you all can do these problems easily. There's a pattern. Now you can easily determine what is u and v of any function fz. By substituting x plus iy instead of z in the function fz, you can get this as the final answer. Then this is the uxy and this is vxy. Then part D, it is somewhat different. Fz equals 1 upon I minus z. As the previous, we take z as x plus iy and then we substitute instead of z. Then multiply denominator and numerator by the conjugate of the denominator. You all know what is conjugate. If there is any imaginary part, we change the sign of the imaginary part. Denominator is the difference of two squares. Because of I times I equals to minus 1. So minus 1 times minus 1 plus 1. So denominator becomes x square plus y minus 1 whole square. So the final answer is this. Then this is uxy and this is vxy. Then the last one, it looks like very complex, but it is the easiest problem. Fz equals bar of the exponential z square. As the previous, we use z equals x plus iy. Then squaring both sides, you know z square equals x square minus y square plus I times 2xy. Then substitute it to the function. If someone feels difficult, say this. Bar of the exponential z square means bar of e to the power z square. So if we take the conjugate, that means I told you conjugate is changing the sign of the imaginary part. So you will get minus I 2xy. So you can separate this as two terms because this is in the power of e. So you know e to the power minus I theta, that is cos theta minus I sin theta. So you can write e to the power minus I 2xy as cos 2xy minus I times sin 2xy. Then you can separate uxy and vxy as this way. Remove the brackets and get the final answer. Then this is the uxy and this is the vxy. This is the end of the video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.